Meaning of epidural.
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 Epidural. Epidural is a medical term that refers to a type of anesthesia commonly used during childbirth and certain surgical procedures. It involves the injection of medication into the epidural space surrounding the spinal cord to provide pain relief to a specific region of the body. The medication can include a combination of local anesthetics, opioids, and other substances, and it works by blocking nerve signals from reaching the brain, resulting in reduced or eliminated sensation in the affected area. This can allow for greater comfort and ease during medical procedures or childbirth.